I have seen examples where they've been these plastic rivets the whole way across, so you might have one or the other, okay? So go ahead and back this pin out, and there's a plastic one at the other end as well. So go ahead and back this out, take out the 4 10 millimeters, and go ahead and get the plastic rivet at the other end. And then this front edge is going to be free, and then we're gonna get up here and we're gonna look on how we start to get all of those little plastic clips out. All right. So now that all of the screws and plastic plugs are out of the bottom, you can pull this front edge free. Now, a couple of things you're going to want to notice here really quickly. If you notice, there actually is structures back behind here, so you're not going to want to be grabbing on and pulling because you're going to be getting other parts of the bumper as well. Now, the other thing is, I had on this side, it was really tight. Now, the driver's side on the other side popped free really easily. This side was really, really tight, so I was very careful and very patient to get this front edge free. When I did pop it free, I did get one of those little plastic expanding tabs right here to pop free. Now, yours may not do the same, but this is where I'm really going to advocate patience and caution, because the last thing you want to do on an upgrade or something you're changing is do damage. And now this is all soft plastic, it's all painted, so your ability to tear this up is really high. Okay, and that's the last thing we want to do. So one thing I'm going to recommend, and you're going to see me put it on here in a second, is I'm going to put painter's tape all along this edge of my painted side, because the last thing I want to do is tear this up. Now, the old one here on this side, I don't care about as much, obviously, as I'm pulling it off, but who knows? I mean, maybe I'll put it back someday, or, you know, I don't know, I'll sell it. I don't know. So I don't want to tear this up either. So at a bare minimum, I want to protect the painted side for sure.